Vice President Kazi Habibul Awal, a former Senior Secretary of Defense and Law Professor at BRAC University, will lead the next election commission. Retired District and Sessions Judges Rashida, Sultana Emily and Ahsan Habib Khan will be Awal's election commissioners. Notably absent from the government's Saturday appointment notification was an oath date. A day after the Cabinet Division named the final SEC and 4 commissioners, the Chief Justice swore them in. Awal was born in 1956 and studied law at Dhaka University. He joined the Dhaka District Bar Association and the Bangladesh Bar Council in 1980. Awal was appointed as an assistant judge in 1981 after clearing the Bangladesh Civil Service, Judicial, competitive examination in 1980. He was appointed a district and sessions judge in 1997. The Bangladesh Legal and Judicial Capacity Building Project Director and Secretary of the Bangladesh Law Commission. He was Secretary of the Ministry of Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs from 2007 until 2009. Awal subsequently served as Secretary in the Ministries of Religious Affairs and Defense. In December of the same year, he was promoted to Senior Secretary. He left in 2015. The government gave him a contract extension twice through 2017. In the Law Ministry, he is well known. In 2009, a group of lower court judges sought his resignation as Law Secretary after he illegally retired 2 of them. He was called by the ministry's Parliamentary Standing Committee and eventually apologized. The High Court ruled in 2008 that his elevation to acting Law Secretary was unlawful. Superintendent CT upheld verdict in. Awal was born at Kumilla, where his father, Kazi Habibul Awal, was posted. Mr. Habibul Awal was a Deputy Inspector General of Prisons when the 4 national leaders were murdered at Dhaka Central Jail in 1975. Legislators: Aziz Ansari Emily is Sirajganji. In 2020, she retired as a district judge. She had been in Gaibanda. Emily entered the judiciary in 1985. General Ahsan Habib Khan resigned in December 2013. On deputation, he served as Director General of the Bangladesh Telecommunication Regulatory Commission's Spectrum Section for 3 years before becoming Vice Chairman. For 1 year, Ahsan directed a World Bank-funded BTRC project. MD Alamgir resigned as EC Secretary in 2021. He was in the headlines after a fight with Sek Nurul Huda over the EC. Former election commissioners Mahbub Tarluqdar and 3 others have complained about Alamgir in the past. The BNP protested when Alamgir became EC Secretary in May 2019. Manikganj's Alamgir, the Bangladesh Civil Service 1986 batch officer, was the Technical and Madrasa Education Secretary. He studied economics at Dhaka AA. In 2020, Shariatpur's Anasur Rahman retired as Energy Secretary. After studying geography at Dhaka University, he joined the Bangladesh Civil Service in 1985.